Hello fellow developers, and welcome to On the Click, the series where I show off helpful Clickteam Fusion tips in a short amount of time. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an efficient and lightweight FNaF style frame scrolling mechanic for your games. Quick shout out to NaitorStudios on ClickConverse, who originally taught me this tactic that I'm about to show you. Anyways, on with the tutorial. So first you're going to want to download and install these perspective shader effects, link will be in the description. Then you're going to open Fusion, click on New Application, go to its Properties, and set the frame size to 1280 by 720. Make sure that's confirmed, press yes. Go to your frame 1, we're going to zoom out a little bit, and then we're going to set the frame aspect ratio to 1600 by 720, or however large your office is. Make sure this bar appears. It ensures you're doing it right. Then we're going to insert our office, so we're going to go to Insert Object, we're going to make it an active object, and we're going to import our office. And you've got your office imported, we are going to Insert Object, Active, then we're going to rename this to Camera Focus, and then we're going to go over here and we're going to give it an alterable value. This is going to be called X Scroller. Then we're going to align in frame, horizontal center. We're going to do it again, align in frame, vertical center. Then we're going to go to our code, we're going to new condition, start of frame. We're going to click here. Alter value, set X scroller to frame width divided by 2. So after that, we're going to go to new condition, always, and then we're going to go here, alter value, set X scroller. Now this is going to be a long one, so feel free to slow down or pause at certain points to make sure you got all of it. But we're going to set X scroller to alterable value, the current value of X scroller, plus parenthesis range parenthesis x I got to log x mouse comma parenthesis x right aim minus x left aim parenthesis divided by 2 comma x right frame minus parenthesis x right frame minus x left frame parenthesis divided by 4 parenthesis minus x left frame parenthesis minus alter value current value of x scroller parenthesis times 0.05. If you need to pause the video right here, just so you can get all this copied down, I do it now. We're going to press enter, then we're going to right click, add, here, position, set X coordinate to to range, and then alter value, X scroller, comma, X left aim, comma, X right frame, parenthesis. Then add here, scrolling, set it in a position in frame, on, make sure it's on camera focus, okay. So this should make it move back and forth. We did this correctly, so let's test. As you can see here, we did do it correctly. Our frame is now scrolling back and forth with a really nice smooth effect while it's going. Alright, well, that's cool and all, but now we're going to go a step further. We're going to go here, we're going to create a new layer on top, and we're going to insert a new object, active, and we're going to call it perspective. This is going to be our perspective shader that we just installed. So we're going to go to here, and we're going to make its size, the same size as our camera, which is 1280 by 720. Then we're going to align in frame, vertical center, align in frame left. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go here, effect, edit, perspective shaders that we just installed, and we're going to select panorama, okay. We're going to set zoom value to 200, same as in base FNaF. We're going to press enter. Then we got to put it on layer 2. Make sure these two are turned off. Now if we run the frame, we get this nice little perspective effect. to make it more look like that we're moving around. Pretty neat. And that is how you create a very efficient and very fast FNaF style frame scrolling effect for your game. Hey, this is post me after the video. So if you want your scrolling effect to also go up and down, kind of like a sister location style camera, then what you can do is you can go to your camera focus object and add an extra altable value called Y scroller, and then add start a frame, set Y scroller to frame height divided by 2, and then add this to your always here, this and this to your always, and when you do that, then your frame should be able to go up and down, kind of like this, and also go back and forth. So, yeah, just figured that was a neat little trick I'd show you. But anyways, that's how you make smooth FNaF-style scrolling for your Clickteam Fusion applications. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more of this series sometime soon, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I'll see you all later.